the veil of ignorance, play of Maya completely removed. Bharati now sees the Lord everywhere, in the greenery of nature, in the heat of the fire, in the sounds around, all appear as Lord Krishna. பாரதியுடன் ஈடு கட்ட முடியாமல் மாயை சிதறி ஓடியது. மாயை அகன்றவுடன் பாரதி தான் காணும் அனைத்திலும் பகவான் ஸ்ரீ கண்ணனையே காண்கின்றான். காக்கை சிறகினிலே கண்ணனின் கருமை நிறம் தெரிகிறதாம். பார்க்கும் மரங்களிலெல்லாம் அவன் பச்சை நிறம் தோன்றுகிறதாம். பாருங்களேன் அவனுடைய ஆன்மீக ஆனந்தத்தை. That exalted state of Satchitananda and sees himself in everything in this world, movable and immovable. Let us listen to his composition that flowed out of him in the state of bliss. யோகத்தில் உறுதி பெற்று எங்கும் சமதிருஷ்டி உடையவன் தன்னை எல்லா உயிர்களிடத்தும் எல்லா உயிர்களை தன்னிடத்தும் இருப்பதாக காண்கிறான். நம் பாரதியும் இப்பொழுது இத்தகைய உயர்ந்த நிலையை அடைந்திட்டான். வானில் பறக்கும் பறவைகளில், நிலத்தில் வாழும் விலங்கினங்களில், வனத்தில் உள்ள மரங்களில், நீரில், நெருப்பில் என்று எல்லா உயிர்களிலும் தன்னையே காணலாகிறான் பாரதி.
சர்வபூதஸ்தமாத்மானம் சர்வபூதானி சாத்மனி ஈக்ஷதே யோகயுக்தாத்மா சர்வத்ர சமதர்ஷனஹ.
continues to shower his grace and blessings decades after he left his mortal coil. The very fact that we youngsters are still inspired by his work shows that Bharati lives. What follows is a song where he prays for the destruction of the evil, resurgence of good, and peace for all. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. கீதையின் உன்னத பொருளை உலகுக்கு உணர்த்தியதோடு கண்ணனுடன் தன்னையே ஐக்கியமாக்கிக் கொண்டான் பாரதி. அவன் பாடிய பாடல்கள் அனைத்தும் நல் முத்துக்கள். எத்தனை எத்தனை பாடல்கள் இந்த சமூகம் திருந்த வேண்டும் என்று, இந்த சமூகம் வளர வேண்டும் என்று, மனிதநேயம் மனிதத்துவம் நிலைக்க வேண்டும் என்று, ஆன்மீக சிந்தனைகள் மேலோங்க வேண்டும் என்று. காலங்கள் கடந்து அவன் புகழ் இன்று தரணி பாடினாலும் அவன் காலத்து சமூகம் அவன் கருத்துக்களை எளிதில் ஏற்கவில்லை. ஆனால் அன்று அவன் கண்ட பல கனவுகள் இன்று நம் சமுதாயத்தால் ஏற்றுக்கொள்ளப்பட்டிருக்கின்றன. அத்தனைக்கும் அடித்தளமாய் இருந்திட்டது அவனுடைய நெஞ்சை தொடும் பல பாடல்கள். அதிலே ஓர் அற்புதமான பாடலைத்தான் இதோ கேட்க இருக்கிறோம். நன்மைகள் நிலைக்கவும் தீமைகள் அழியவும் அமைதியான வாழ்க்கை பயணம் மேற்கொள்ளவும் இந்த சமூகம் நல்வாழ்வு வாழவும் பாரதி பாடுகிறான். பாரதி சொல்லியது போல ஒப்பில்லாத சமுதாயம் படைத்து இந்த உலகத்தில் புதுமை காண்போம். Blessings of elders and great souls go a long way in making our life successful. So, I would like to call upon Swamini Vimalanandji, Acharya of Chinmaya Mission, Coimbatore, to please come and bless us.
Hari Om. We request the audience to please remain seated, because there is something a little more coming up, a few more minutes of show coming up after all this. So please be seated.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. I don't know what all of you are feeling, but my heart is filled. My heart is filled with love. Love first to the people who give us joy. And all the performers have given us great joy, and therefore my love for all the performers who did an excellent job. The singing was faultless. It was perfect. A big hand to the great singers. There's one thing very lovely that happened. I don't belong to the Tamil culture, but of course I belong to the Indian culture. And therefore, when something which is common is struck, you could be a Punjabi, you could be a Sindhi, you could be a Bengali, you could be a Maharashtrian, you could be a Gujarati. But when you strike that common chord which is Indian, you touch the heart of every Indian. And that is what the show has done. Even though I didn't understand the Tamil songs, even though I didn't follow some of the finer, beautiful details that I'm sure the Tamil audience followed, but yet it touched that in me, which is Indian, which is a Hindu, which is of our culture. And that is what I think is a great achievement of this Chinmaya Yuva Kendra. A big hand for touching that commonness in all of us. Year after year, year after year. It's very easy to give one good performance. It's your one. It might be a fluke that you did it. Maybe you just did it because you did it. You can be a genius once in a while, but to consistently be good, year after year after year, shows that you are really good. Congratulations to the Chinmaya Yuva Kendra for giving us year after year a very, very touching tribute to Pujya Guruji. I remember the last time it was Andal, and I really again couldn't understand those feelings, but I still cried. I actually cried, even though I didn't understand a word. So therefore, to consistently do something like that is really wonderful. And then, there are always these special people who make it special. Pujya Gurudev is of course the source of all inspiration. Pujya Guruji is of course the source of all the love that we get. And then there are people in the mission who make all this possible. From the very first show that we had Anu Amma, who made it really possible. From the first show, she has been the Sutradhar for all the shows. A big hand to Anu. At this time, I really miss Sumati. I'm sure so do all the performers, because she has been there for all the other years, but then you can tell her that we really missed her, not only before the show, but even during the show and after the show. Now, the Chinmay Yuva Kendra, as you all know, is the youth wing of the Chinmay Mission. At this day and age, in fact, as we were coming here, we were talking about how easy and attractive is rap music. You catch, you grab the attention of every youngster just like that. Now, for these youngsters to grab the attention of all these young people through singing of bhajans, isn't that wonderful? Is it? See, they do that. Of course, you could make out that Bhartiyar is still alive. They didn't have to tell us that. Every time a popular song of his, I didn't even know that these were very, very popular songs. The minute the song started, everyone started clapping. The very fact that all of you identified so much, and when Bhartiyar stood there, you clapped. Bhartiyar walked amongst the people of the land, you clapped. Bhartiyar removed all the social evils, you clapped. Is it true or not? So this common core, this thing that touched, they've taken. The last time they took Andar, this time they took Bhartiyar. These are people that should live on forever in the hearts of everyone. And the Chinmay Yuva Kendra, through this wonderful program, has again re-enlivened the spirit of Bhartiyar in all your hearts, and that's again a very, very great achievement. I really congratulate all of them, and may Pujya Gurudev's blessings and Pujya Guruji's blessings be on all of you backstage and who are there right behind to do all this wonderful job. You know, there are a lot of you who are directly associated with the Chinmay Mission by going to the Bal Vihars, by coming to the Chinmay Vidyalayas, by being teachers of the Chinmay Mission, by coming to study classes, Devi classes, etc., etc. But I'm sure a lot of you are complete strangers who have just come here because some friend of you invited. We invite all of you to join the wonderful activities of the Chinmay Mission and get inspired for life. Hari Om and Namaskars to one and all.
As a token of our love and gratitude, I request Amma to give away a memento to our guests of the evening, Sri Senthil Kumar. I request Amma to give away the mementos to the participants. Students of Chinmaya Vidyalaya, P. Raghav, 11th. M. Srinath, 11th. S. Aditya, 11th. K. Shabaridas, 11th. TGS Narayanan. Venkat, 9th. Nakul, 9th. Narendran, 5th. Suraj, PA, 2nd. Vikasini, 5th. Gayatri, 11th. Swati, 11th. Kavya, 9th. Shivaranjani. Amuda. Sukanya. Aditya, PA. Manisha Nagpal, Rajlakshmi Nayan, Priya Anand Nayan, Srinidhi Fifth, Suchitra Vijay Kumar Sixth, Monica 11th, Ratish Nayan, Narasimha Nayan, Prakash Nayan, Prabhakaran as our hero Bharati and Akhilesh. Thank you, Ma. I now call upon Brahmachari Pranipat Chaitanya to speak about Chinmaya Mission. There will be a wonderful rendition of a Bharatiya song just after the vote of thanks. So I request you all to kindly remain seated for a few more minutes. It takes a lot of hard work and brainstorming to come up with a show on such a grand scale as this. So now I would like to call upon Santosh, coordinator of Bharati in Geetai, to propose the customary vote of thanks. A few words about Santosh. For the last 1 month, he gave all his time and effort for the success of this show. Always with a smile, he put the song, the drama and the presentation together. He has been infusing the spirit of Bharati in each of us. Santosh.
Hari Om to everybody. On behalf of Chinmaya Yoga Kendra, Coimbatore, I would like to propose my vote of thanks. I had hoped this would be a Karma Yoga concept. Karmanyevadhikaraste Mafileshu Kadachana. I thought I will be only reciting the vote of thanks and the audience will be leaving the hall. But I see a wonderful audience all sitting till the end of the show, joining us the youngsters till the end. Thank you very much for you first. First, I would like to thank our chief guest, Shri Dhruva Kumarji and family for gracing the occasion. I'd like to thank our acharyas who have guided us, who have blessed us in every step of us. Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you, Surpanji. Thank you, Milamaji. And moving on, the script basically was developed by Brahmachari Gagan Chaitanya ji. It was his birth child comparing Bharatiyar with Bhagavad Gita. He had given all the shlokas and the songs for us, and we had just a simple work to connect the shlokas and the songs to present you. And secondly, we would like to thank our Sumati Didi ji, who before leaving from Coimbatore, she had sit with us, guiding us all the time. She had discussed with us, sparing her time for this show. And we would like to thank Rishi ji and Kirti ji for helping us out for the practices. I'd like to thank the sponsors, all the sponsors, especially Shri Mukund ji, who was the old Chinmaya Yoga Kendra member. He had given most of the sponsorship, and maybe you would have listened his voice also on the stage. The Sannyasi dialogue, he only spoke it. We thank him very much. Then we would like to thank CRS, Chinmaya International Residential School, for setting up the beautiful stage behind us. We would like to thank Shri Venkateshan, Anand Shankar, Paramashivam and their team very much. Thank you very much, sir. Then we would like to pour our thanks to school correspondent principal for helping us out. We had got the students from them, so they had efficiently managed. Then we would like to thank the teachers of the school, both the schools. We would like to thank Kripa Recording, who have, without taking any money, recorded the script and all. He has been with us from the first Bhajan Sandhya. We would like to thank the Elite Orchestra also, who have been with us from the first Bhajan Sandhya. It was great working with them. For 6 consecutive years they have been with us. We have David sir with us, who is the main group member. Then we have Collins in keyboard, Tabela Ramesh ji. We would like to call all of them on stage. David sir, please. They have been very kind to us. From the first Bhajan Sandhya they are all with us. Keyboard, Mr. Collins. Tabela, Mr. Ramesh ji. Pad, Mr. Gangadharan ji. Flute, Mr. Satyam ji. We are really carried out by their music. Then we would like to thank our photographer, who is also an old Chinmaya Vivekananda member, Shanmugam Anna. We would like to thank the JMR Audios and Lights. We would like to thank all the volunteers from our Vidyalayas. We would like to thank the parents of participants, the mission members, and our wonderful team members who had most can be expressed without words. They had been a wonderful team. It was great working out with them. We would like to thank also the Chennai Chinmaya Yoga Kendra for lending us some of their tunes. We would like to thank the audience who had already, I had already told, were very wonderful, clapping at each and every song. Even though we had a bit of here and there, you had kept encouraging us. Thanks for that. We would like to thank our Gurudev's children, the old Chinmaya Yoga members, Sri Ramanna, who has coordinated all the music group. He has trained the singers. Anuma and family who have been with us for the whole night. Their house was like it was always filled. Open doors. We had worked there till night. Even till early morning we had to do the clippings. They were so kind with us. And these are all the things I have thanked outside. There are so many things which have happened inside. There are so many subtle changes that have taken place. Going through the Bharatiyar songs, each and every word was very powerful words. We couldn't leave even a word. Our music people said, don't leave any word. We had a place where we had to leave some words of Bharatiyar to cope up with the tune. But they were so powerful that we couldn't even leave a single word. And it has gone into us so deeply that it will last till our life. We are really moved by that. For that reason, whom else can we thank other than Gurudev? He had come down from Uttarkashi till the plains and propagated this Gita, inspired the chicks. He said, youth are not useless, but used less. Youth are not careless, but cared less. And we are grateful for being cared and used. Thank you, Gurudev.
A tribute to Gurudev. Gurudev was also a revolutionary. If Bharatiyar fought against the social inequalities and for the freedom of the country, Gurudev fought for the internal freedom and against the spiritual decadence. Both were great masters, strong revolutionaries who ignited many hearts and continue doing so. So we thought it befitting to bring the two masters on the same stage. one popular song of Bharatiyar, which is a combination of two verses, aptly describes our Gurudev. Here is our representation of Bharatiyar's song. Starting off as a small spark of fire, Gurudev's mission has now spread to all corners of the world. Pujya Gurudev was an ocean of compassion. He goaded us to reach for the sky. His wit was as quick as lightning. He showered on us words of wisdom, making us take a step towards him. நாட்டு விடுதலையை இசைத்தவர் பாரதி, உள்ளத்தில் விடுதலையை இசைத்தவர் நம் குருதேவ். சமுதாய போராட்டங்களை ஒழிக்க முயன்றவன் பாரதி, மனப்போராட்டங்களை நிறுத்த வழிகாட்டியவர் நம் குருதேவ். ஆக இருவருமே மிகச்சிறந்த புரட்சியாளர்கள் என்று கூறலாம். ஆயிரக்கணக்கான மக்களின் இதயங்களில் ஞானம் என்ற ஜோதியை ஏற்றி அருளியவர்கள். இப்படி எத்தனையோ ஒற்றுமை உடைய நம் மகாகவி பாரதியையும் நம் பூஜ்ய குருதேவ் அவர்களையும் ஒரே மேடையில் ஏற்றி இந்த மேடையை அலங்கரிப்பதில் பெருமகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறோம்.
For the Arati, we now call upon Brahmachari Rishi Chaitanya Ji and Brahmacharini Kirti Chaitanya Ji.
आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की नित्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की। आरती सद्गुरु की चरणों में उनकी शांति समाए, शरणागत की भाग्य पिताए, आप संताप
volunteers, Rishiji, we request you to please stay for just a few minutes. Venkatesh, Subin and Deepthi, please come and collect your mementos. Please come forward, Venkatesh. Subin and Deepthi. Our singers were Abhilash, Karthik Ram, Prakash, Meera, Abhishek, Vijay Shankar, Rajkumar. We have for the main contest for the whole program, we have Priyanka of class 11. She has compared the whole program, and the introductory comment was read out by Ramya. The English commentary was given by Sujata. She had to leave. Thank you, Sam. We'll end this program with a Shanti Path.
Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu, Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu, Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu, Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhavet, Asato Ma Sadgamaya, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
அக்கினி குஞ்சொன்று கண்டே அதை அங்கொரு காட்டிலோர் பொந்திடை வைத்தேன். அக்கினி குஞ்சொன்று கண்டே அதை அங்கொரு காட்டிலோர் பொந்திடை வைத்தேன். அக்கினி குஞ்சொன்று கண்டேன் அதை அங்கொரு காட்டிலோர் பொந்திடை வைத்தேன். வெந்து தணிந்தது காடு, வெந்து தணிந்தது காடு, வெந்து தணிந்தது காடு. தழல் வீரத்தில் குஞ்சென்றும் பென்றும் உண்டோ. தத்தரிகிட தத்தரிகிட தித்தோ, தக தத்தரிகிட தத்தரிகிட தித்தோ, தத்தரிகிட தத்தரிகிட தித்தோ, தக தத்தரிகிட தத்தரிகிட தித்தோ. அக்கினி குஞ்சொன்று கண்டே அதை அங்கொரு காட்டிலோர் பொந்திடை வைத்தேன். வெட்டி அடிக்குது மின்னல், கடல் வீரத்தீரை கொண்டு விண்ணை இடிக்குது, கொட்டி இடிக்குது மேகம், கூவென்று விண்ணை குடையுது காற்று. சட்டச்சட சட்டச்சடரட்டா, சட்டச்சட சட்டச்சடரட்டா என்று தாளங்கள் கொட்டி கணக்குது வானம். அக்கினி குஞ்சொன்று கண்டே அதை அங்கொரு காட்டிலோர் பொந்திடை வைத்தேன். அக்கினி குஞ்சொன்று கண்டே அதை அங்கொரு காட்டிலோர் பொந்திடை வைத்தேன். அக்கினி குஞ்சொன்று கண்டே அதை அங்கொரு காட்டிலோர் பொந்திடை வைத்தேன். தத்தரிகிட தத்தரிகிட தித்தோ, தக தத்தரிகிட தித்தோ